So I'm here at the Castleton Club campsite. I've been mountain biking this morning in the rain, but now the sun's out. I've got a few hours left before it gets dark, so I decided I'd like to try out a little beginner loop on my gravel bike. So this is going to be on cycle network number 6 mostly, taking in some quiet back roads through Hope, out to Ladybower Reservoir and back. So we've got less than 3 hours till it gets dark, so let's get going. This afternoon's route is around 30 kilometres with 500 metres of climbing. Most of it's on the road, but there are a few sections where it is a little rough, so I'm doing it on my gravel bike. It starts with a short ride from the Castleton Club campsite into the village, before starting the first climb of the day. And all the route information, including OS maps, can be found in the video description. Look at the views! I love it, it's just rolling green hillsides. There's just some great natural mountain biking and gravel riding and lanes, just nice to get away from the traffic. Can't believe the weather we've had. Everything today. Pouring rain this morning, couldn't see a thing, and now I feel like I'm very overdressed for the not so cold dry afternoon. After the first short climb, there is a really fun descent. Then you hop over to the other side of the valley for the longest climb of the day. Sadly, there are a few hills on this route, but we are in the Peak District after all. Let's stick it in your easiest gear, spin away, and get there in no time. With the main climb out of the way, it was time to hit the gravel trail, which takes you towards Ladybower Reservoir, although at that point the heavens decided to open up yet again. Well, I definitely spoke too soon about that sunshine coming out. It's now pouring with rain, but we're out, and luckily we're on a nice cycle trail now. It is all weather, which makes it such a good place to be able to go on adventures, even when it is pouring with rain. Amazing, made it. Huge big dam wall. Get a view of Ladybower. Just at the top of here. Fancy a swim, Joe? No? Definitely wouldn't want to go down there, would you? Where would you end up? So we've made it to Ladybower Reservoir, and as we're a bit short on time today, we're just going to do an out and back here, back to a nice warm campsite to have a shower. But if you wanted to, there's lots of options from here to make the loop a little bit longer. You can extend it around to the road. You can also then do a big loop down Ladybower and back to the side. There's so many options to have a big day out. So these are the signs you need to look out for if you're going to be following a National Cycle Network trail. Back on the cycle trail now, and back along here, then we're going to do the last little bit on the road, back up and over into Hope. The ride back started well, and we even met some furry friends along the way. It was still raining, but I knew it wouldn't be long until we'd be warm and dry back at the campsite. I thought we'd get to see a beautiful view on the way back, but sadly, story of our trip here so far, the Peaks is hiding itself. It likes to make it a surprise for next time, I think, even all covered in clouds. But still, we can see what potentially there is. Might be that car somewhere. So I think there is a good thing about rainy day bike rides, and that's getting a chance to visit all the good cafes without feeling too guilty. So let's get warm. We made it, we're back. It stopped raining, and we're back before it got dark. And the great thing about staying at a Caravan and Motorhome Club campsite is having the facilities to help get all this muddy kit and bikes clean and dry as quick as possible. And cameraman Joe here has given me a challenge to see how quick I can do those things. So I'm going to wash my bike and his bike Then I'm going to get my kit in the drying room and then get myself showered, ready to chill out for the evening. So here we go. Bike's clean. Let's hit the drying room next. Game changers. Drying rooms, we need those today. Perfect for leaving things like backpacks, shoes, waterproof jackets, all that kind of stuff. Leave it here overnight and then it can be ready to go for another day. So before I get dry and clean, I'm going to pack away my bike for the night. So bike's away, just going to put the last few things in, then it's time for me to go and have a shower, and then we're nearly there. So that's me, chilling in the camper, ready for a nice warm snuggle evening. I think that took all about 20 minutes from coming back, wet, cold, dripping, muddy mess, and now bike's clean, put away, the washing's on the go, and I'm now warm and dry. Awesome, and what a day. I think we've had all of the weather today in the peaks. Rain, sunshine, fog, all sorts, but still epic day out. Always good to come somewhere, have an adventure, and to be able to come back and get warm always feels extra special on a cold winter's day. And don't forget, if you'd like to find out more about the route, there's information in the video description. And if you've got any ideas of where I should ride next, do let me know down below in the comments.